So on 15th and 6th, so on 15th and 16th May, two burglaries were reported. One was in Saligaon and one was in Anjuna police station. And in these burglaries, it was upon investigation, it was found that the burglaries had a similar MO. So cases were registered and the police started investigating the matter. It was found that apart from being similar MO cases, the people who were involved could also be similar. Deeper investigation was carried out, and we were fortunate to get some CCTV camera footage. And upon analyzing the CCTV camera footage, we got some very important clues. Several teams were formulated from Mapsa subdivision and from Parvarim subdivision to track down the accused persons. During the further course of investigation, we also recovered one safe, a big safe which was found in Vagator Hilltop, and the safe was recovered. We also got some crucial clues from the safe, and after a lot of hard work over the last roughly 2 months, we were able to specifically identify the accused persons. It was found that some local people, along with some persons who are from Bihar and West Bengal, were involved in these housebreak thefts. The housebreak thefts were of a very high value, and once we identified the persons, several teams were dispatched at the same time with some teams were tracking down the accused in Goa, some were in Bengal, Bihar, and also in Delhi. Coordinated and simultaneous operations were conducted at all the 4 places, and we were able to arrest 5 accused persons who were involved in some way or the other in the burglary, and also those accused persons who were involved in the actual housebreak were identified. So as of now, we have arrested persons who have given information to the accused persons, who have assisted in surveilling or wrecking those places, and also the accused persons who have actually broken into the houses. Upon their interrogation recently, we have also identified 2 more persons who may be involved. So there is a further search for those 2 persons also being carried out, and we are positive we will be able to get those 2 persons also. There has been good recovery in the case. We have recovered jewelry items, we have recovered antique pieces, we have also recovered some. इनके पुलिस स्टेशन का होगा हिस्ट्री शीटर. यहाँ पे इसके इन 2 केसेस में इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. गोवा में इसके अलावा अभी तक इनका इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं आया है.
So when and where this?
So one burglary had taken place in Saligaon in a residential house, and the other burglary had taken place on the very next day in a residential house at this place at Anjuna.
सर रिकवरी कितने के हो गए?
रिकवरी अभी तक हमने वैल्यू नहीं लगाया क्योंकि ज्वेलरी आइटम्स है. वी आर नॉट श्योर ऑफ द वैल्यू, बट वी हैड रिसीव्ड positive description from the owners of the jewelry. The jewelry is matching that description. We've not attached any value to it so far.
कुल मिला के टोटल कितना?
अभी वैल्यू अटैच नहीं कर रहे हैं. ज्वेलरी आइटम्स, एंटीक आइटम्स, दे आर ऑल ऑफ वेरिएबल वैल्यू. दे वर इन पोजेशन of the owners, and they had given us the photos, and on the basis of those photos we have been able to successfully recover them from the accused persons.
तो कहाँ पे इंसिडेंट हुआ?
एक इंसिडेंट अंजुना में हुआ था. अंजुना में एक घर है शापोरा के साइड में. हाँ, और दूसरा जो है वो सालीगांव का एक घर है ऑन सालीगांव मेन रोड.
कुछ अवार्ड भी?
हाँ, पुलिस ये इस केस के बारे में आईजी और डीजी सर दोनों को ब्रीफ किया है. They are all very happy. They have congratulated the team, and they have promised to reward the team suitably very soon. We have also recovered some electronic items, and we have recovered some euros. So these are all those items which were mentioned in the during the initial investigation of the case, which have been suitably linked, which have linked the accused persons to the case. So we have a very strong case. It was excellent work by the team of PI Prashal, SDPO Dalvi, SDPO Karpe, and also PI Sachin Lokre. They have worked throughout the last 2 months dedicatedly on this case, especially one PC who has gone through all the evidence. His name is Rupesh Asgaonkar. He has done tremendous job in the case, and the teams also did an excellent job by going to far off places in West Bengal and in Bihar. PSI Atikesh, PSI Viraj Korgaonkar, they have led the teams who have gone out of station. So it was a all-round good, very good effort by North Goa district, and we have managed to catch these accused persons. One of the accused persons, his name is Sundar. He is also known to be wanted in other big burglary cases in Delhi. He has been absconding since a long time. This is a major success of Goa police that we have been able to track down serious housebreak theft accused persons who are wanted across the country.